Welcome to Wall Street.
Welcome to Wall Street.
1, 2, 3,
We
Wall
have
Street.
2 cameras, men.
Welcome to Goal Street. Today we're gonna try
Squad
this
goals.
Oh,
Nazi
can we
cake.
restart? I have my finger in the shot.
Nah, don't worry
I
about
have my
it.
finger
Okay,
in the
Just
so
shot.
remove
there's
it
a
then.
Nazi
We'll cut it
cake.
out.
Okay.
Not Nazi
Okay.
cake.
Okay.
From my neighbor, he's a Nazi. Confirmed Nazi. He wears his uniform almost on the daily. So
I have my finger in the shot. Can you restart?
okay,
Nah, don't worry.
He yells me if I'm sitting on his lawn. He's like, he yells at me in German. He's
Do you
like-
want to burn like the Jews in German?
That's what he says in German because I just Google translated it.
Yeah, using the voice box.
Okay, so me and Charles over here,
Quavo.
Quavo over here, are gonna try this cake, Nazi cake.
We're gonna cut it in.
Can we,
No.
We gotta get a good shot
Get a
first.
good shot of the cake first.
Whoa!
Yeah, so there's 2 cameramen at the moment.
It's okay. Nothing wrong
Okay,
with
So
it.
guys,
finger in the
guys,
shot,
get
fingers in the shot.
get it.
Yeah.
Hang on, I'll go
Get
next.
the bite. Get the bite.
Just stuff it in there.
I might be allergic to this cake, so I can't have it.
You never know, kid. Are you willing to roll the dice?
It's kind of okay. That was a big. Mine was so small.
Hang on.
Okay, out. I'm retiring from cameraman. Stack that bottom.
Is it good?
The whipped cream is good. Turns out Nazis can make good whipped cream. Let's make some Nazi cake.
It's okay.
Okay.
I like me some Nazi cake. Right, guys?
We out here, fam. Look at the camera.
Stack that bottom line.
Can you guys do the thing from Creature?
I'm a motherfucking creature.
Thanks. I'm gonna taste a bit more. You know? Really good whipped cream. Really good whipped cream. And you know the cakey bit? That's still pretty good, actually. I'm not crazy about the oranges.
Fucking retarded.
Or the tangerine. Oh, it's a tangerine slice. Okay. I don't know. 1, 2, 3 Wall Street, fam.